goodie for the 225 DR Yamaha vintage. It's not really running, and I've had the carb off. I can't even count that many times, and I figured I would attempt a little shot at an Amazon Zoom carb. This feels kind of tinny, but we'll give it a shot. I haven't had it apart. I'm just gonna see if it's plug and play to begin with, and go from there. So in the box we have a carburetor, a couple fuel lines, fuel filter, like inline filter, and looks like stud for this here. I can't remember how that works exactly right now, so I'm gonna go with that. Oh, got it all dirty already. Yeah, it's kind of cool that you can just buy this. This was $55 on Amazon. I couldn't really find any other better deals anywhere for this specific carb, so I tried it. It says W on it. I don't know what that could possibly stand for. Maybe and also when you flip your trike, if I don't know, if you're getting really crazy, like you never flip a trike, come on now, flip it, it says M. And so when you're looking at your carb and your trike's upside down and fuel's spilling out of the bowl, it just means, man, I love trikes. So yeah, let's get the other one off and put this one on and see if she'll even start. Now, so this slider deal, of course there's no cable in there. Gently lift the slider out. Let's compare sliders. That looks to be fairly similar, I guess. No, these threads, this is all pretty soft. It's like lead, so you got to be careful when you're putting that cap back on there. Maybe those threads don't match. No, they don't. Okay. Oh yeah, no, the slider's different. So this does not fit into this. Coax it out. There. Okay, old spring, old needle, new spring, new needle, and that goes like so. There, that's that stuff swapped over. Now, get this guy in here. Ooh, that's nice. That was really nice. Behind the fuel. Yeah, there she goes. Drink up. I got the choke on. Keys on. Fuel switch is on. Let's decompress the hefty throttle. Ooh. That is almost promising. Maybe it'll just be real handy. Oh. Give it some choke. I'm gonna put it at idle. Oh. So just had to get some gas in there. Just barely play with the mixture screw. I guess the idle screw. Yeah. Gonna see how she does after she warms up. A couple days later, I rode this around. It was kind of boggy when you're trying to give it some power, and play with the idle didn't really do much for me, so I took out the needle valve and the slider, whatever you call it, and I popped that out and adjusted it to let more fuel in to the Venturi. I'll just show you what I adjusted with this guy here. So here's throttle tube, if that's what you want to call it. So here's this needle that pokes down into your main jet, kind of just lets fuel in through the main jet there. And so that other one, it has 3 adjustments. This one has 5, it looks like. And so I just adjusted that one to the bottom so it sits higher in this slide, therefore letting more fuel in and more fuel to get in sooner. Should hopefully solve my bogging issue. I haven't taken it for a ride yet, so let's try that. I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope for one pull. Let's see here. Just like that. Classic Mustang owner.